Hey, yo, Jim. What's up, guys? GM to you, wherever you are. Today is the first day I'm trying to do a live video on on inside my car. I mean to say. So we're about to start right now. About to start. I'm trying to let the community know that we're live. You know. So GM, we're about to start. Let me see your GM. Send in your GM. I'm about to notify the community that we're live. This stuff. I don't know why. GM. I don't know. I'm having issues with this particular Telegram. Okay, so I think I'm going to remove it from the live stream. Please send in your GM. Okay, send in your GM, please. We're about to get started, right? So I'm going to, you know, there's a lot of information to be shared here today. Somebody said no delay. Oh my word, we have about 38 people here already. Oh my god. GM guys, please send in your GM. Send in your GM. Send in your GM. Send in your GM, guys. Send in your GM. Send in your GM. I need to be sure we are GMing everybody. Oh, GM, I can see from YouTube already. So there's something I'm trying out today. Telegram now has live stream. So I want to be sure that it's working. I don't know if it's working, if it's gonna work, but then let's see how it goes. All right, guys, GM, and I don't want to waste your time. GM, thank you for joining. Today is gonna be an epic day. Today is the first day I am trying to live stream. Um, I'm trying to live stream. Um, from my car. Okay. So please just give me a second. I'm trying to set up stuff. So we go to patience. Yeah, GM. So we're about to get started. Okay, we've got 42 people here. Um, let me just share this stuff out now. Let me tell everybody that we're live. Then we get active as usual. By the way, I'm expecting a lot of buys in the market. I put out some signals the other day. I'm gonna share some other updates here also. And when I share that update, please, take it seriously. And I mean, have I been wrong? I know sometimes I do get it wrong sometimes once in a blue moon, but on the grand scheme of things, or rather in the grand scheme of things, have I been wrong? Mm, okay. So, for those of you, I don't know where you're joining from. Those of you in Nigeria, abroad, anywhere, welcome. GM to you. And also, um, do well to like share this video, okay? Do well to share the video, okay? I'm sorry I took a little. I think I've taken about 7 minutes to 7 good minutes to set up properly, but it's okay. So do well to share this video, okay? Do well to share this video and retweet for those of you on Twitter, retweet and yeah, let's get started. Let's get started. So today, a lot is happening. A lot is happening. A lot of people. In fact, you know what? Let's start with this. Are you bullish or bearish at the moment? Please, our live spaces are usually very interactive, so please try as much as possible to be interactive also. So, are you bullish or bearish? Let's start with that first. Are you bullish or bearish at the moment? Are you team bulls or team bears? I want to see your comments. So, are you bullish? Are you bearish? Let me know. Yes. By the way, no
So
delay.
you
GM to
bullish, are
you.
you bearish?
GM to you, no delay. Asiru, Asiru, the day. GM to you. GMKC, GM guys. So, are you bullish or bearish? Let's start with that first of all. Are you bullish or are you bearish? Drop a comment ASAP. We need to be like, replying ASAP so that okay, so this life won't be boring, okay? I don't want it to be boring, please. So reply ASAP, ASAP. Are you bullish or are you bearish? Okay, Ibrahim said I think the bull is just going to be a retracement. Okay. And I think I'm going to just call you eligible. OX eligible. OX eligible said he OX eligible said short-term bearish, long-term bullish. Okay, it depends on the context you're saying that, or like it depends on your context though, because you know, there's a lot of context to this. Like me, long term, I'm always bullish on Bitcoin. Bitcoin long term is gonna be bullish because I mean, over the years, that is what the chart has shown. Bullish, 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 bullish. Yeah. So still bullish. But so that's why I say depends on your context. Depends on your context. So other people, are you bullish? Are you bearish? Let me know. I would like to know if you're bullish or bearish. Okay. Um, for me though, while the comments are coming in, I'm gonna say how what I think. For me, I am bearish. Let's say this throughout 2026, I'm bearish. Okay, and I'm gonna be showing you why I'm bearish, and then let's say for the month of 2026, I'm bearish, but for the month of December, I am bullish. Okay, so on this live stream, we're going to take some trades on this live stream. Okay, we're going to take some live trades, and bro, I mean, I personally, I believe we're going to win. You know, we're going to take some trades, we're going to win, we're going to make money, and yeah. Okay, so first off, I'm going to tell you why I am bearish. Okay, for 2026, and I'm going to tell you why I'm bullish for 2025 ending, right? Because 2025 has to end in a bullish candle. Okay, so the other day, how many of you were here when live Smart Tech and I we had a live stream? Were you here? Smart Tech and I we had the live stream, and Bigger Z, I greet you especially. Good day, Jen to you. So, how many of you are here live the day Smart Tech and I had the live stream? We were discussing about the yearly candle, and what we are expecting, what we're expecting. You understand? So um just to be able to just to refresh, especially for those of you that were not here um that day, the live stream. So this is just simple. It's always good when stuff like this are said. You just go back, and you know you go back and you how will I put it? When you go back, you just take a guess. Not a guess, I mean to say, you just take a look, I mean to say, so that in case you think we're guessing, right? So when you go back, you take a look, you'll be like, oh, yo, is this right? What he's saying, is it right? Just I think they call it backtracking and backtesting. I think that's what it's called. Okay. I think that's what it's called. So, all right. So now what some things I'm about to say now, you might not agree with it, but it is data. Okay. And I would choose data over any other I will choose data always over any other how will I put it? Any other obviously there's nothing there again, because if you choose data, then okay, any other thing will be just mere argument and unfactual statements. So I'm going to choose data over it, right? Now, according to data, it is always 2 years green. Okay, so if you have a yearly if you have a yearly chart on your trading view. Okay, if you have a yearly chart on your trading view, what you just need to do is, as I'm talking, you are checking. Okay, if you don't have, when I'm done talking, when I'm done, or rather when you finish listening to what I'm saying, you go and go and check if what I'm saying is true or not. Okay. Please, those of you on Twitter, can you just kindly retweet this page? Okay, retweet it. Okay, just click on the retweet button. It's not hard. I'm trying to do that now. I just realized I've not done it. So we are live. Join. So please, those of you on Twitter, kindly retweet this space. Okay. So I was saying something. I said anything I'm saying, please go and check it, please. Always, I need you to always scrutinize me. Please, I beg you, this community, I beg of you, always scrutinize me. Always. Okay. GM. Shalom. Somebody send me shalom, yeah. Shalom, yeah, what? I don't know. That's sounding foreign. I don't know. But GM to you. Diamond. Diamond calls me ODC. You know what ODC means? Odogu DC. I think we'll have a new title now. So yeah. So now we always have um a how am I gonna put it? 2 years. Check Bitcoin candle, please. Check Bitcoin candle. 2 years is bullish, 1 year is red. 2 years is bullish, 1 year is red. I'm going to draw an illustration. Check it on a yearly time frame so that you know what you're dealing with. Okay. So let's do this now. Let's do this. All right. Let's do this. Okay. So right now, I believe everybody can see my screen. Okay. Everybody can see my screen. Please, if you can see my screen, send in the confirmation that you can see the screen I am sharing right now. Okay, so let me do this. So this drawing I'm about to put out, some of you might not have noticed it before, but today you notice it. So I need you to check Bitcoin on a yearly time frame. So on the yearly time frame of Bitcoin, this is what you will see most of the time. On the yearly time frame, so I will explain this to you now. Guys, this video is extremely important. Okay, this is like this is one of the most important live streams I've done in a minute now, and I implore you to take it seriously and do a couple of research and try to know if what I'm saying is true or not. And yeah, now see something here. What I want you to, first of all, this is a yearly time frame. That's what I'm trying to represent here. Okay, yearly time frame. Now on this yearly time frame, this particular one candle, let me expand it a bit. So this particular candle, let's call it year one, year two, then year three. Now see what happens. Year one pumps, year two pumps, year three bear market. So bull market, bear market. Then bull market, another what are we expecting? Another bear market like this. So if you check it, it's still a bullish movement, but then the time you got into the market is going to play a lot of role, and that is what I'm about to teach and explain here to you, all my dream chasers. And you see, these teachings has to go around. We have about 84 people live here right now, and normally our stream we used to get up to 300 people live. So what you're just going to do for me, anywhere you are or watching from, you retweet, you share. If you're watching from WhatsApp, you rather I say if you're watching from YouTube, post it on your WhatsApp story, share it to groups and all of that. If you're watching on Twitter, please kindly retweet. It's not going to hurt for you to just click on the retweet button, because we need this information to go as viral as it can go. Okay, and we need to get in a lot of people in here. You get me? So back to what I'm saying. Year one, year two, bear. Year one, year two, bear. Now, see where we are now. We are at here, this particular candle. That's where we are at now. The second year of the bull. Now, let me ask a question. True or false? That's what we should just do, a true or false, right? So, uh, Bitcoin has been bullish since last year when it started from about $15,000 and started pumping till now. True or false? So Bitcoin has been bullish from last year when it started about 15,000 something dollars and started pumping till now. True or false? Now, while you are replying, prior before, please make sure you reply, okay? True or false, just kindly reply, okay? Now, prior before Bitcoin touched $15,000, right? Bitcoin was at $64,000. It touched 64 if I'm not mistaken, right? Now, before it then dumped to $15,000 thereabouts. Yeah. Now, that happened, right? True or false? So please, I need you all to like reply. Let's get active. I'm getting very active. I am almost getting in the spirit. Very soon I'll start vibrating. Okay, I can see Noel on Twitter say true. Okay. Now, Noel on Twitter say true. Guys, I need your comments to be coming in aggressively. And meanwhile, Show and Noel, thank you for your retweet. I can see them on Twitter. Thank you. Okay, Show said you are right, and so now you see the thing here, right? Now, the people that bought at 64,000, when Bitcoin dumped to 15,000, a lot of them panicked and sold. True or false? In fact, even at 30 something, a lot of them were like, you know what, I'm done with this shit, I'm out. And a lot of people sold. Now, the reason is this, that's the point I'm trying to make, because of a lot of people, they don't understand the circle. They don't understand the cycle. Okay? They don't understand the cycle at all. At all, at all, at all, at all. You get me? So that is what I'm trying to do here right now. That's what I'm trying to make sure that every single one of you understands, and then we're not going to fall a victim to we're not going to be a victim of the market. So now, like I said, 1 year bullish, 2 year bullish, the third day bearish. Now, please, I need all of us to be flowing together. Okay, I need us flowing together. It's going to make the live stream more interesting. Okay, so please flow together with me. Drop your comment. Don't be lagging. Don't lag at all. Now, another thing is this, right? How many of you saw a tweet from me, post from me in the community, when I said December will be bullish? How many of you saw that tweet? If you saw that tweet, say I did, or comment I did. I mean, you can comment I did if you saw that tweet. If you saw that tweet, you say I did. If you saw the tweet, you can say I did. Okay, Show say I did. Show say I did. And December 1st, the market was dumping, and I told you all, yeah, bro, no, this is just a retest. Buy, 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 buy. You saw it, right? Gentle Lodi say I did. Now, the reason why I'm so sure that the market is going to be bullish. Why I'm saying buy, 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 buy. So the reason for that is because of December. December needs to close bullish for year 2025 candle to be green. December just has to listen to what I'm saying. You see, I like saying this type of stuff on live stream. The reason why I like saying this type of stuff on the live stream is because of you know, when I say it on the live stream like this, it happens, everybody will be like, oh my god, damn it, Dream Chaser is so good. Oh my god, Dream Chaser is a genius. So, excuse me. Currently, the yearly candle, oh my god, I think I will soon go and pay for I pay for a lot of stuff, I pay for a lot of stuff like crazy. Honestly, I pay for a lot of stuff. So to pay for things don't tire me. If not, I wanted to say that I think I'll go and buy a premium for trading view so that I can be able to show you on. But man, I pay for stuff, and right now I'm not making money from a lot of things I'm doing now. So when I say making money, like the service I'm giving to most of you are here, most of you are not paying me for it, okay? So that's what I mean. So I'm spending so much money from other places, I'm getting money to be giving out information for free and all of that, it can be tiring, especially when I'm spending a lot of money on it. So so okay, cool. So now you get what I'm saying, right? So now, spending a lot of that kind of money is not really nice. So, anyways, now 2020 December has to close bullish for 2025 candle to close bullish, and 2025 candle has to close bullish. You get me? 2025 candle has to close bullish so that history, data, what keeps happening will keep happening, because remember, it is a cycle. It is a cycle. Okay, so Dream Chaser just revealed that 2025 must be bullish. So I sorry, I wanted to tweet that out, so that people can join the live stream. So, like I said, 20 this monthly candle or December has to be bullish. This December must be bullish so that this December must be bullish so that 2025 will end bullish. Just exactly, that is on Bitcoin, obviously, just to be able to recreate its history. So that is why you see, for those of you that know technical analysis, you will see that a lot of coins have been pumping. Some coin have done 30 something percent pump, and I mean, we didn't even get those type of pumps some earlier this year, but some coins have done those pump. So now I'm going to show you, but I just explained to you fundamentally why this has to happen, because of I just explained fundamentally to you why this has to happen. And the reason why it has to happen is because of history has to just repeat itself. History has to just repeat itself. Data. Now, a lot of you, some of you already are here from the community. This is not your first time being here. You already know that I always mention data, data, data. This is going to happen. This is going to happen. And people argue. And at the end of the time, most times, in fact, if I'm going to rate myself, humbly, I'm going to give myself 90% of the time, what I say, it happens. So now let's dive into the chart officially. I've explained. Okay, before moving further, Let me ask, please, for those of you that have been here, please always quickly type. This is a live stream. It's not like as if I'm giving you the mic. So always type quickly, please. And I need everybody to be very, very active. So from what I've explained right now, do you understand the concept of that the yearly candle needs to close bullish? That the yearly candle needs to close bullish. And do you also understand that December must be bullish, has to be bullish, because right now the yearly candle is not showing bullish. It's not, it has to close green. And it is in between green and red right now, just in between. A small movie to show red, a small movie to show green, but it has to just close green. And that is why December needs to be bullish. And it's already happening. That's without I started saying December will be bullish from November. So do you understand the concept, please? I need your reply. I need to be sure you can hear me also. So I need your reply. So do you understand the concept for those of you that have been here or that was here earlier? You understand the concept here? Because this is why history is extremely important. History is important. Do you understand, please? Boss Gaga just joined. Say you love to know why December will be bullish. Honestly, I cannot repeat that much of it because I think you just joined us now. I think you just joined us, but basically, I cannot say much on it again. I'm just taking answers right now, or other questions. But basically, Boss Gaga, what I'm saying is that right now the yearly candle needs to close bullish, and the yearly candle is not yet bullish. It's just in between bullish and red, so it has to close bullish. So that's what I'm saying. It has to close as green. So that was why I started saying that. Uh, that's why I started saying that. Um, I was saying that we just have to be bullish this December, and you can see right now it's already happening. You understand? So I just saw an interesting comment. Um, I just saw an interesting comment. Somebody just mentioned here. The person said that 2026 won't be bullish, and I said there will be no off season. Okay. Evans, yes, I'm telling you that. Okay, you say 2026 won't be bearish. That's what I'm saying. Interesting, man. Interesting. So, anyways, I dare you to buy a lot of Bitcoin right now, and you are going to regret it by 2026. And okay, so there's something I skipped on explaining. So I need to explain that also for you guys so that you understand what's going on. So this is why timing is important. Sorry, I got distracted. So let me explain it to you. This is why timing is important. I mentioned something about those people that bought at 69,000 Bitcoin and Bitcoin dumped to 15,000. A lot of them would have sold before Bitcoin then pumped to all-time high. And they'll be like, what the fuck? I could have held. So this is what happens, and you need to understand. Remember, yearly time frame, 1 year bullish, second year bullish, bearish. Now, notice what happens. Go and check this on Bitcoin chart, 1 year time frame. Notice what happens with the first candle the next year after the bear market. The first candle does a recovery. Then the second candle breaks all-time high. That is how the game is played. That is how it is. That is how the cycle has been since Bitcoin got invented. So now, imagine buying at the top of the bear market and then the bear market started. It means that you have to wait for 2 years to be able to break even, or yes, or 1 full year to be able to break even, or wait for 2 years to be able to get profit. So what I'm telling you now on this live stream, I implore you, please, on this live stream, if you're not getting anything, you need to understand the game of patience, number one, which is what? I need to invest. I need to become a crypto investor. I have to invest. I have to make a lot of money from crypto. Now, I implore you, if you're an investor, this is for the investors out here, what you just need to do is start now and start working hard and save a lot of money. Sell all your assets, sell all your crypto now. Sell all of them now. You hear me? Sell all of them. Bitcoin, sell. ETH, sell it. This is not a financial advice. This is strictly education for educational purposes and entertainment purposes. Let's continue. Sell all your crypto assets now. Sell all of them now. Then what do? You now wait patiently. On this chart, you can see we are here now in crypto. Currently, we're at this top here. I started saying sell from 126 so that you know that this is not the first time I mentioned sell. I started saying sell from 126. So you sell now and wait for crypto when it comes down to this lowest level of the bear market. You buy. Now, just a little mathematics, a little maths, a little mathematics, right? If someone bought Bitcoin at 15,000, right? Those people that bought Bitcoin at 15,000 and sold at, those people that bought Bitcoin at 15,000 and sold at 120 something thousand, right? Those people that bought Bitcoin at 15,000 and sold at $120 something thousand, right? A lot of ignorant people, they say that it is not possible to make 5x, 10x from Bitcoin. Ignorant people. Bitcoin is overbought. Oh my God, Bitcoin market cap is, like, I need to make 10x, I need to make 5x. Right? A lot of people are like that. Like, I need to make 5x, I need to make 10x, I need to make. The only coin, or one of the few coins that did an 8x profit for their holders is only Bitcoin. That is the only coin that did an 8x profit. So if you put in $100, you are going home with $800. One of the very few coins that did that is only Bitcoin. And somebody is asking me, when is the main bull run? Saint Nelo said, when is the main bull run? What bull run are you waiting for? Now I ask everybody here, did Bitcoin do an 8x pump? I'll be 7x pump. Let's even divide this F. Let me be sure, so that, because some people want to criticize me for not using exact numbers. So 126,000 divided by 15,900 is equals to 7.9x. 7.9x, approximately 8x. From last year till now, that is what Bitcoin have done when Bitcoin hit its all-time high. Did ETH do that? No. How many altcoins did that for people? You see why I said I'll soon enter the spirit. And I don't know why I'm shouting. Why am I shouting now? Am I shouting, guys? Hey, Wunda. I don't know how to pronounce your name, but I greet you specially. Be like I don't the shout. Guys, if you are just joining, retweet this space. So I am not here to tell you what you want to hear. That is why people don't like me. Okay, no, people like me. I'm not sure they don't like me, but they don't like what I say because they want somebody that will tell them what they want to hear. I will not tell you what you want to hear. I will tell you what data is showing. What the data is showing, so that you will know that there's somebody that have always been telling you the truth. For those of you that are constant listeners to the biggest DC, those of you that are constant listeners to the biggest DC, you will ask yourself, how many times have biggest DC been wrong? Especially with big moves. How many times have biggest DC been wrong, especially with big moves? Just like the way I was begging, my guy don't buy car. My guy just text me now, tell me saying don't buy car. Ushi, congrats, my brother. Make I congratulate him. Congrats, my brother. My bro, congratulations. I dey happy for you. I did live stream like this. I did stream live. congrats. I go call you immediately. I come off from live stream. Congratulations, my brother. Easy. Thank God. So, how many coin did 8x pump? Now, there's an interesting question somebody just asked me right now on this live stream, and I actually try. Somebody say I did hyped up. Well, I don't understand. Many of you see, I have plans for this community. You will not understand, and some of you are fucking my plans up. And some of the plans is this. Let me tell you some of the plans I have for this community. I have a plan. Some of you must have joined the real estate group I opened on Telegram. I just posted that link once and about 100 people joined. Maybe I might share it again. Now that real estate group I opened, the plan is this. We make money, we invest in real estate as young people. We make money, we invest in real estate, I will try, as thank God my wife is also into it, try and sort out much legitimate properties as we can sort, get them out, we buy, we make money. We have Dream Chasers community in real life. We do smart investment, Dream Chasers community in real life. We buy an estate, we build real life. Then we do that. We planned for at the end of the year we're going to go on a vacation with probably 10-20 people that can be able to do that because of we are making money together. You see, these are some of the plans I have. Like, this is beyond trading. It's like a lot of things. So some of you are fucking it up because some of you are so adamant. So adamant. Some of you don't have you see somebody showing you data, but your emotions are fucking you up. At the end of the day, you realize, you fucked up, but you have lost a lot. You might not be able to bounce back again. And these are the things where I'm trying so hard to, I don't know how to balance it because dealing with humans can. I told you about the USA government shutdown. I explained everything for 1 month. I was talking about this, showing you data. It happened. I was hosting live. I was doing YouTube videos. It happened. The market have fucking crashed from 120 something to 80 something to 80 something. You see, I don't want to be talking about altcoins. But somebody asked me one question that have touched my heart now. I don't want to be talking about altcoins. There's a reason why I don't be talking about altcoin. I'm talking about Bitcoin because this is like the mover. This is like the game changer of whatever we're doing here right now. So I see the USA government is going to fuck the market up. Look at what the USA government shutdown means. Look at what it's going to imply. 2 days before the government opened, I'll be 3 days before the government opened, I said next week, the USA government, they are saying that if they don't reopen, they'll shut down flights. And what I said is that it is impossible for them to shut down flight. It has never happened. And it is impossible for it to happen. You know why? The elite, anytime you want to make decisions, always think, what are the elite thinking? It will help you. I said it is impossible because the elite, the USA elite will never allow the airspace to be shut down. Why? Because that is how they travel. They will never allow it happen. And that was immediately I just heard air flight to be shut down. I said it's never going to happen because the USA, the elite needs to always move. Cannot tell me Elon Musk is not going to leave USA because the USA government shut down and he's not going to travel. You cannot tell me Donald Trump will permit that when he has to travel. It's not possible. The elite will not allow it. What happened? That next week they reopened. The market started tanking, and I was begging you people for more than 1 month. Now I am here again. Someone is telling me it's not going to happen. When I'm showing you data, screenshots, go and research. See video, go and research. But he says it's not possible. Oh yeah now. Oh yeah now. So somebody mentioned something about altcoin. That altcoin are down. It be like say you begin following me. Evans, did you start following me lately? You started following me, Abby? Oh yeah, make I show you something. See the person where they argue. Me, the biggest DC. That is who you are trying to argue with. And you said 2026 would be bearish. You then mentioned, bro, altcoins are down by currently 95% down. Are you trying to say they will go to 100% down? No, they will not go to 100% down, but they will go down. I don't think a coin can dump by minus 100% unless they have delisted it. But a coin would dump by minus 99.9999. All right, guys, before I show what I want to show, if you are active, say I am active. Let me be sure that you guys are active. If you're active, say I am active. Evans, I see you. I know that you really want to learn because you are holding a lot of coins and all that. I understand. I'm going to show you data right now. If you're active, type I'm active. See, I'm in my car. I on AC. Where they go down. Data they go down. I just did here. I suppose like I go soon. Evans is active. You be like saying that Evans this life the important to press. Guys, if you're active, comment please. Drop a comment, guys. See, I like to drop data, facts. There's a reason I like to drop data. So one day I'm going to be one of the greatest financial guys. By God's grace, next month, starting from next month, we're trying to do some stuff. I'm trying to do some restructuring. We'll move heavily into stocks. We'll move heavily into forex, maybe bonds and economies, but soon we'll be a complete financial powerhouse, and we feel the pressure. Everybody will be blessed. Okay, Margareta from YouTube say I'm active. Good morning, DC. Good morning. Eligible say is active. Active from Boss Gaga. Show say is active. I greet you all special. Receive blessings. So time to show data. Data is important. Without data, we cannot understand our future. We need to be able to understand the past to be able to understand the future. So that's where data is important. Anybody that doesn't work with data, you have lost your identity and you've lost your everything. So let's check some data. So you understand the greatness, understand what we're doing here. So how many of you can see this? Oh shit, man, I've not. Okay, good. Can you see this stuff? We got 160 people here, 160 people, 60 dream chasers, 160 dream chasers. Welcome. Yeah, we're doing pure greatness here. Pure greatness 100, 160. We need to push this shit to 200. Please retweet this space. So guys, can you see my screen? You can see my screen. Yeah, please comment fast. Later people are going to watch this as a replay. So I don't want Do you see my screen? All these things to be. Just comment fast. Let's make this shit active, man. Sharp. Boss Gaga said yes. Evans. Evans, please, I need you to be active because you are the one that made me open this because your question triggered me. Because waiting I never do for this community. I don't try, I don't beg. See, I dare you for 1 month complete, follow what I am saying verbatim. It's verbatim, they call it. Follow what I'm saying for 1 month complete and watch your life change. Just I dare you do it for 1 month. You understand the greatness. You don't get anything better than this. This is standard. Now, Evans, I don't know when you started following me, but see what I did here. I came one day. Let me show you something. I tweeted this first. I said, good news. That was on March 4th. Good news. Clap hand for Jesus. Clap, 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 clap. Crypto DeFi Lord said, are we bullish? I said, oh yeah. Because that time the market was tanking. Guys, please, I want you to be following it. That's why I said, go and scrutinize me. Make sure anything I am doing, scrutinize me. Always scrutinize me. Always say this thing that this is say, is it true? I think in the Bible they say question every spirit. So always scrutinize me. Yes. Go and check, do an in-depth analysis of me. Check whether this guy is he legit or is he doing rubbish. Please, I beg you, my fans. So you see what I've showed now. This is what they call data. I said good news. Clap hand for Jesus. Clap, 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 clap. Then what followed the good news? Let me read it out. Look at the chart that followed the good news. And I'm going to explain this chart to you all. This is my Twitter for what it is. This is my Twitter. You can go and check it. So this is crypto total market cap excluding BTC and ETH, which means is the total altcoin. The total altcoin market cap. Then let me show you what you see. First of all, I marked out a support. I then marked out a resistance. The first resistance, obviously. Then we then had a projection. As at when I did this, the market was tanking. You can see the red candle. People felt that, oh, the bull market is over. Oh my God, it's going down. And I'm like, what the fuck, guys? Calm down. And as at that moment, when I did this analysis, the market cap was at $807 billion. That is for the total market cap, excluding Bitcoin and ETH, the entire altcoin. But I put an enter at $777.3 billion market cap. I say, guys, start buying when altcoin touch there. The altcoin market cap touch there. Start buying altcoins. We're gonna fucking pump from there. But guess what? A lot of people bought their altcoin from the top here. But me, I was telling people buy from here. I mean, we just had simple thing, breakout and retest. Now buy from the retest. Now let us go to what I posted. I said, this is the image. Please, guys, are you with me? Are you following? Please, are you following? Because I am now in the spirit. Are you following? If you are following, type yes. I need to be sure everybody is following. Type yes, please. Type yes. Be active. Be active. I am now in the spirit. You know, we started on a low tempo. Now I'm active. Guys, please, if you don't encourage me by saying yes, commenting and all that, I'ma leave here right now. This is fucking big information I'm giving. You need it more than me. Encourage the boy. It's not easy to be coming here doing. Since I did inside car, my friend, for me not to sweat, I on AC. And I've been here for 1 hour already. You know, fuel is going down, data is going down. MTN just they send me a message. Yo, you have this data remaining. Aha, following. I like it. I like it. I like it. Now, see what I take screenshot. Oh, I say this is the chart of the altcoin market cap without BTC and ETH. Right now, I need to start excluding ETH from my plans because Vitalik I pour you speeds because that ETH now rubbish coin as of then. Anyways, as far as I'm concerned, from what the chart is showing me on the general altcoin has had a clean breakout on a weekly time frame and a very good retest. Unless the bear market has begun, altcoins should start experiencing inflow of liquid that will take the altcoin market back to its resistance. Okay, back to its resistance level marked out with a red rectangular box or a new all-time high. Right now, the altcoin market is at $800 billion market cap. Its resistance is at 1.2 trillion and it's going to create an all-time high. There's a high tendency for the general market cap to go to $1.5 trillion market cap, as shown in this analysis. Oya, clap hand for Jesus Christ. Clap hand. In short, we have more tendencies of a massive upward movement rather than a down movement from this point. I guess this is good news for the entire crypto market. It is well. It is well. Look at the chart again. Now let's go to this place. I did the analysis 4th of March, then May 25th. Look at what happened. Guys, can you see? May 26th. If you notice, I then did a new one. I said, chai, and be like, so no, get to this all-time high. But let's keep going. Where is this guy that made me do this? Evans, you they follow? Now you make me enter this. So we got 171 people here. Welcome. We are showing pure greatness here. Evans, are you active? Now you make me enter this thing. If you know the active, make I come out. This is what we call data. We are showing pure data. This Evans no day. Oh yeah, make I go another thing now. As you know day. Evans, you know day here. Oh, you're active. Okay. Now, 25th of March, I then said, so when I did this analysis for the first time, I literally saw the entire market exploding. As you can see, I wasn't wrong. Altcoins bounced up exactly as I predicted. But right now, I'm using a monthly time frame to reanalyze the altcoin market instead of the weekly